Ito yung problema ko talaga, guys. Parang palaging mag-change yung mind ko ba sa mga ano. Which one you like? You decide now.
I know which one I like.
Huh?
I know which one I like.
So are you really gonna get it?
I like black. Good morning, Philippines!
Good morning. Good morning. Tulog pa yung iba. Tulog pa yung iba. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Can I grab this? Can I grab it? Good morning, oy. Morning. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning, everything. Naghagok pa si Mister. Tulog pa kasi. Naghagok. So, kaya bumangon lang siya kanina para mag-transfer doon. And then, pakainin yung mga pusa. Pinakain niya yung pusa. Sobrang aga. Ay, wala na palang rice. Dada, feed you already. You eat already. You did. You eat already, boy. Tulog si Mister, pero tanungin natin kung anong kakainin niya. So, kapag magising siya, tanungin natin siya mamaya kung ano yung gusto niya. And, ako naman, pupunta ako ng Walmart mamaya. Diba, the other day, nagpunta kami sa Big Lots, and then na-excite kami kasi may nakita kaming mga cushion. Kasi last year, naghanap kami ng mga cushion kahit sa online, ang mahal, at saka sa mga tindahan, wala na. Dahil sa COVID, ang daming bumili ng cushion. So, ngayon, ang gagawin po is, meron sa Big Lots, 30 bucks. So, i-check ko sa Walmart kung meron silang mga bagong display at saka hindi masyadong mahal, katulad 30 bucks, okay, it's cushion. Sa iba mahal, pero yung sa Big Lots, okay naman, affordable naman siya. Pero sa Walmart, gusto kong i-check kung meron ba talaga sila. So, ano ba yung sinabi ko na putol kanina kasi na napatay yung battery. Lubat. Palagi akong nalulubat, guys. Palagi talaga akong nalulubat. Kasi Friday pa lang. Oh, Han? Do you want me to make you egg and rice? Do you want egg and rice?
No rice.
Just egg and what? Egg and cheese?
No egg.
Egg and cheese scrambled. Okay, I'll do it. What finished the
A little
food?
kiwi bun.
I don't know. Freezing cold. Maginaw ngayong umaga. Tami, just get up. Say good morning.
Morning, guys.
Kagigising lang niya, guys. And gusto niyang scrambled egg with cheese. You don't want fried rice with it? Yeah, I need to cook more rice. Okay, guys. Luto lang tayo, guys. And then, mamaya pa ako alis. I have to continue lang editing. So, yun. Mag-edit lang ako. I know you want... Do you have jalapeno cheese?
A little bit here.
Huh?
A little bit.
Oh, ngayon kasi it's Friday. So, Tommy cannot eat meat because it's Friday. So, yun yung ano niya. Friday, no meat, no eat. But I told him this egg is a meat. It's a chicken, guys. You know? This chicken. It's just, it's not finally meat yet. Finally. Do you wanna go with me at Walmart or do you wanna go with me later? Creamer, my bread, looking for the cushion. Ito pala yung pepper jack na ano guys na cheese. Masarap siya. Right, Han? Is that pepper jack? It's a good cheese. Ito lang daw yung breakfast niya, guys. Nakakaboring naman yan. Egg and cheese. Boring lang. Ay guys, before tayo mag-ready, mamaya, palabas pa uwi. Hindi na tayo punta sa Walmart, sa grocery na lang pala. Para sa ulam ni Tami. And, gagawa natin siya ng salad, tuna. Gawan ko lang siya 2 tuna salad para hindi siya mag-uol. Kasi nagka-problema na siya anong kakainin. Puro meat. I'll make you tuna salad, love. You mad at me, baby? Come here, give me a hug. You mad at me? I don't do anything for you. Come here. You're so cute. You itchy. Only this and this. No celery for your teeth. Huh? You want some? You want?
Yeah.
Ha? Mag-cut na naman tayo ng celery. Only 2. I don't want you to keep eating this. It's too salty. Ay, nako talagang Tami. Ay, patrabahuin pa talaga tayo nito. Dagdagan pa talaga. So, ito yung tuna salad na gusto ni Mister. Ito yung gusto niyang style sa tuna salad niya. So, ito na siya guys. Nilagyan ko na siya ng onion and celery. And, lagyan natin siya ng granulated na garlic. Okay. Kami love garlic guys. So, yun. And then, onion granulated also. Paminta. And then, ito siya. Mayonnaise. What are you listening, Han? Okay, you have your lunch. This is a lot. You cannot... I know you won't eat this a lot, but... Look at that spoiled boy. Don't open your eyes on me. Don't open your eyes on me.
He's hugging his little flippity face.
Doon pa rin yung isda, guys. Hinahag pa rin niya yung isda. Oh my goodness, poor boy. Hugging that fish like his own baby. Oh, the fish is moving. Look. Tignan nyo, guys. The fish is moving. Just ignore it, looking at it. Tinitingnan lang niya yung isda. So cute, honey. You're so cute. Honey, he's so cute. Bug is not gonna stop now. Oh, it's stopping already, boy. Basa pa ang buhok ko. Inyan din, inano ko na, nilagyan ko na ng punitil ko na agad. Yan yung nakakasira talaga ng buhok ko. Anyway, so ngayon, punta ako ng sabihin ko kay Tami, makakain na lang ba siya ng salmon? Hindi na ako lalabas. Kasi meron naman akong salmon, guys. Meron akong salmon doon. Kaso lang, kasi si Tami, sobrang picky. Hindi siya, sa isda talaga. Hindi siya masalmon. So, are you going to eat salmon if I cook salmon?
Yeah, that's right.
You sure?
I would talk to his brother out. And it looks like Walmart's more expensive than Big Lots, so it's Target, so it's Amazon, so it's not in area.
Can we go run?
We can. You can.
You don't wanna go out?
Right now, I don't.
I mean later. Later.
Can we go later tonight?
Late, honey. Like 3 o'clock.
It's almost 1 o'clock now. It's late. We should get in the shower.
Okay, then fine. We're not gonna go. Ito yung problema ko talaga, guys. Parang palaging mag-change yung mind ko ba sa mga Kasi kung isipin ko, pupunta ako doon, ang bibilhin ko lang is 2 creamer at isda. And then sa Big Lots. Ito yun, guys. Dito ko nilagay yung hindi ko pa siya in-arrange. Yan, hindi ko pa in-arrange. Nilinis ko ito. And then, nilagay ko siya dyan. And then, i-arrange natin yan. Nag-marinate. Minamarinate ko lang to siya. Sama para i-bake natin mamaya. Yung si Mr. tulog. Ano ko na lang yung salmon. Ilutuin natin yon 400 degree. Yung ano na. 4:30 na guys ng hapon. And plano namin ni Tami. Mamaya na kami aalis punta doon. Kasi 9 o'clock daw yung closing nila. Mamaya na. Wala naman kaming mga ganap. Wala naman kaming lakad. Ano bang pinagmadali namin, di ba? Wala naman, di ba? Marinated siya guys. Nilagay ko siya sa, sa refrigerator para sure siya na hindi siya maanik. Masira. A little bit frozen pa, oh. Ay, kaloka. Konti na lang yung frozen niya. Ganituin ko siya, guys, para magpapasok talaga yung ano ba. Ayan. Oh my God, what are we watching? Cartoon Network. Lutuin natin. And yun, si Tami, katatapos lang yan ligo. And then, pinasok ko. Naghiga-higa. Ganyan, naghiga-higa siya sa bed. Ang ginawa ko, pinasok ko siya doon. Minasahe ko yung paa. Nasayahan naman si Mister. Na-miss daw niya yung Na-miss daw niya yung masahe ng paa. Sabi pa niya, yung paa daw niya is feeling alive. Feeling alive. You wanna see my baby, guys? There you go. This is my baby.
Plate hangers?
Huh?
Plate hangers?
What hangers?
Plate hangers.
I don't know. What is that, Han?
Plate hangers.
You ordered that? Huh? Plate for what?
For those plates to hang them on the wall.
Oh. Seriously, Han. Your shoes. Where is your shoes? Did you order it together with your shoes?
Yeah, but they get different times.
That's gonna go hang in your bed, in your office.
Where are the loose plates?
The plate that I said, it's in the attic. That's the thing that, what is that?
Not the ones in the styrofoam, the ones that were loose.
It's in the attic.
Okay.
I'll get it. Yeah, I know what it looks like. Mom have that in her thing.
Just tap these, put on the wall, tap these in, 4 little nails.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
And
Things like this. Hold the plate.
is that how it is? Na-bake na siya. Pabayaan lang natin dyan. Mamaya pa yan guys kasi iba-brown ko yan ng todong-todo. And then ito naman yung asparagus natin. Binuboil ko siya and then is stir fry sa konting oil with a lot of garlic. Yun yung garlic natin. Dito siya. And then i-drain ko lang ito guys. Ito sira ito. Oh. Itapon ko yun. Hindi ko yan nakita. Ito sira ito. Yun. Hindi ko to nakita. Garbage. Yung naluslos naman ito. Naluslos feeling payat taba di ay. Dako dagtiyan. Dako dagtiyan si Inday. Kailangan ko lang ito. Kailangan pa ba i-memorize yan? Love it. Noon palagi akong nanonood at nakikinig kasi sa Facebook, 'di ba? Facebook Live. Sina Papa Jack at saka si Lloyd Cadena. Lloyd Cadena ba 'yun? 'Yan. Yung mga every night na meron na tumatawag, nagpatambag, humingi ng himpapayo. Himpapayo. Naghingi ng payo humingi ng payo kung anong dapat gawin, ganun. Okay, so marami-rami kasi itong natin. And lagyan ko siya ng ito. Ito yung sikreto ko. Last na itong sikreto. Nilagay natin. Yun. Tapos, yung gulay natin. And ito, sobrang brown na siya. Pakita ko sa inyo, ha? Pabayaan lang natin siya dyan. Naka-off naman siya, eh. Tapos na kami kumain. Kaya lahat. And, kinakain lang namin yung, yung old na gulay. And, may kausap lang siya. And then, aalis kami. Punta kami biglats. Gabi na. Anyway, so every other night na lang kami nito dishwasher. Hanap tayo ng cover. Right. Asya. My God, it's 7 o'clock na. Andito pa rin tayo. Wala pa rin tayo nakaalis. Hindi pa rin tayo nakaalis. Sobrang windy sa labas. Grabe. Ang ginaw ngayon, guys. Grabe yung hangin. Palipad-lipad kahit saan. Kaluka. Oh my God. So, alis lang kami. Gusto din ni Tami magpunta ako sa kasi gusto niyang bili daw tayo ng creamer. Roxy, eat your dindin. Don't be a bad girl. Hindi pa kumakain itong si Roxy. Ayaw kumain. Gusto ng... no, we're leaving. We're saying bye-bye. Go eat your dindin. Sasakyan ni Tami yung dalhin, guys. Kasi yung sasakyan ko nakalimutan namin na mayroon pa palang mga gamit. As in, mayroon pang mga gamit na yung dala namin. Okay, can we shut the TV off? Okay. We're gonna be quick, okay? Just leave it on. They have some... You know, Roxy sometimes wanna watch movies. So.
Yeah, sure.
Roxy and Habs. They are the one that like to watch a show. Hold on, guys. Our mask is in my car. So you get... Oh my God, honey. It's nighttime. It's night time.
What does that mean?
Honestly, I don't like these people cut your hair.
Oh.
They're like... I miss Olga. Is Olga alright? Wala. Oh, okay. So... It's nothing to be filmed. There is some houses over here. Nakabalik na tayo, guys. Balik tayo dito. Ito yung pipiliin natin. Tami, gusto niya yung itim. Which one you like? You decide now.
I know which one I like.
Huh?
I know which one I like.
So, are you really gonna get it?
I like black.
Okay, get the black, whatever.
No, it's up to you. You want this gray, that's fine. You want this gray, that's fine.
No, that's a... Huh? What's the difference? Huh? So, it's 45. How much is this?
40, I'm sure.
Oh, this is 20, hon.
Get out of here.
Yeah. Oh, this is 40.
Yeah. Where did you see 20?
This one, 20. This is good for the other one. Chair out in the back.
Flip side look like.
Oh, it's nice.
Not high enough.
No, but the other chair.
This is for a regular size chair seat. We need a longer one. Oh no, this is longer.
Oh my God, it's the same.
It's the right size. It just doesn't have the
Yeah.
breakaway.
Okay. Ayan, guys. Lobat na pala, guys. And you know what? I think this is good for the other chair. The one there in front, there is another single chair.
This is gonna be 22.
You know the other chair? Tami. Nagtataka na kami, guys, kung alin yung kunin. Get that one, honey. Get 2 of that. 3. I know. Just get the 40 one.
Get what?
Get the 40 each. 2 cards, yeah. We have 45, 45, and 50.
I thought we need 4.
Why? We have 2. No, we need 3.
Well, alright, so we put this on the double chair.
Yeah.
And then we take one of the cushions from the double chair, put it on the other chair.
No, I don't want the old thing.
Well, then you need 4.
No, the other chair is single, hon.
There's 2 single chairs.
In the front?
Yeah, you told me that.
No, it's only one. I went outside to check.
Sure?
Yes. Hon, you go out over there, you don't even realize. You like that blue, huh? That's the only one good padding, that's why. How about that gray one? That's the same thing. Okay, let's go. Hala. Okay. There's a lot of pillow, guys. How much all those pillows? $12. Yeah, we don't need pillow. It will go flying everywhere. And then you stomach, guys. Okay, let me get a picture of you. Where are you going? You think you can go through here? I need to hold this. I guess we have to... No, it won't fit there. Hi guys, we are done here. Nakakuha na kami. How many we got? 5 total. So ngayon, we are going to the grocery to get milk. Ago. Ang ginaw, grabe.
Yeah, I like it.
Ha?
Yeah, I like it.
Grocery lang ako, guys. Stamina andito. Hopefully, they're still open, ha? Ito lang yung puno. So, lime. And primer. Andito yung primer. So, yan. Tayong dalawa. Wala akong card. Wala malaki. Wala nang malaki. Han, I think it's so heavy for you because Hub just keep opening her eyes like honey, look. Oh, so we're gonna go to bed now. I think that's why they're clinging because treat time. Oh my god, Han. This is a baby, oi. So spoiled. Oi, he loves it. The heck? You love it, boy. You're such a spoiled baby. Oi. You're such a spoiled baby. Okay, Mama's gonna go night-night. Okay? Mama's gonna go night-night na. It is spoiled. No, Mama's wanna kiss you, no. No. Please, let's go. If she'll follow me. Come. Come, night. Hi, pretties. Pretties. Oh, look, guys. The first thing.
Hey, guys.
The pretty.
You're right in your spot.
Now we're here, guys, but we can't find Dimples. Where is your sister, little boy? Oh, she's right here. My God, she's just hiding. My goodness. Anyway, guys. So, we're here. Yun ang binili namin. Andun pa sa sasakyan. Bukas na lang namin yun ilagay. So, yun. What are you doing, love? Huh? Busy? He's working. Look at your son. Okay, I'm gonna change. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. Kita-kits tayo bukas. Bye. Good night, guys. See you tomorrow. Good night. Yun lang yung lakad natin ngayong araw.